So I'm back at Shanty Hollow Lake north of Bowling Green. Got here much earlier today than yesterday because the forecast is better and there's no storms on the radar, so I was able to get here much earlier. So hopefully that improves my luck. I had a very good morning yesterday morning as far as quantity goes. The fish weren't very big, but it was still a blast. So got here earlier today in the hopes that I'll catch some bigger fish. So sure is a gorgeous morning. Definitely going to be much hotter today, so I'm glad I got here so early. Stunningly beautiful place. Love the rock formations. Let's get out there and give it a shot. Definitely got to try the whopper plopper again this morning. Didn't get any strikes with it yesterday, but I got here pretty late. Shaded shoreline, work that. Got a micro finesse on here, Euro tackle, and I got a sunfish. Ooh, beautiful fish. Look at those blue colors, oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Thank you, sir. Got a Euro tackle tungsten jig and a EPF swim on there. Looks like it matches the bait fish I see jumping all over the place, so I'll give it a try for a little while. There was a bass in ultra shallow water and lost him on the Hellgrammite. He hit it instantly. There's a decent bass. On my new rod, I bought this at Cabela's yesterday. Bass Pro Shops Tourney Special. 6'6" medium. I think that's the biggest one I've caught, which, not seeing a whole lot between yesterday and today. But still a little bit better than those tiny ones I was catching yesterday. And he jumped a couple times. Thank you, sir. Very light colored. Here's the new rod I bought yesterday. Nothing super special, $49 at Bass Pro Shop, or Cabela's, but Bass Pro Shops brand. So yeah, I'm happy with it so far. Definitely get a nice hook set with it without it being too heavy in my hand. I'm getting pretty sensitive to the weight of my rods and reels as I get older. The heavier they are, the more fatigue you have. So there's one on the Ned rig finally. That took a long time. Maybe it's a little bit better than what I've been catching on the Hellgrammite. Yeah, not bad. He's lashing me like crazy. Oh, he inhaled it too. Come here, buddy, open your mouth. Yeah. Ooh, way down deep in there. Got me all wet. Thank you, sir. This giant rock. Oh, biggest fish I've caught yet, or had on yet. On the Hellgrammite. This is the only lure that's working consistently out here. He's not a giant, but he's an upgrade. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Right in the tongue. I'm gonna have to use the pliers to get him out. Thanks. Beautiful little hawk just flew right over my head. There he is. Landed on that tree right there. Let's see if I can get a picture with my phone. He's yakking at me. I think I'm in his fishing territory. Probably won't be a very good picture having to zoom this far. There we go. So cool. I'm getting the impression this lake is just really heavily pressured, and they've seen every lure except for my hellgrammite here. The roof of the mouth. Thank you, sir. There's stunningly beautiful rock formation over here to check out before I pedal back. I actually came on this trip, one of the main reasons was to research the Bowling Green, Kentucky area as a potential place for me to retire. And what I've realized is, although it's a stunningly beautiful place and there's a lot to love here, I think I would miss the water in Michigan too much. So lakes, ponds, creeks, rivers, streams, and the Great Lakes, the variety of places to fish that I have in West Michigan, it's 1,000 to 1 compared to here. The few places that you can fish here are overwhelmed with fishermen and too heavily pressured. And so yes, the climate is a lot better than West Michigan, at least during the winter time. But during the summertime here, it's much, much hotter than we ever see in West Michigan. Like this week, we got high temperatures of 97 to 99 with high humidity and no winds. I'm okay with the heat. I vacation a lot in the Tampa Bay area, and it's, you know, consistently in the 90s there during the summer, but I have the ocean breeze, the Gulf breeze, and saltwater fishing to distract me. Here, there's no wind or very little wind, and of course the fishing hasn't been all that great. Certainly nothing compared to saltwater fishing. So, wow, check out that rock. I wonder how long it took for that to form. I'm so glad I came to visit and do this research and fish here. It's really helped me develop a newfound love and appreciation for my home state of Michigan. So, in spite of the brutal winters we have. So, thanks for watching.